Hello and welcome to VB Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Headley. In this Tech Help video we're going to learn what .NET is. So let's get straight to the .NET website. So if we were to go to .NET.microsoft.com, you'll get all the information about .NET. So what is it? It says in the tagline, it's a free, open source, cross-platform framework for building modern apps and powerful cloud services. So it's free. You don't have to pay to use the language. It's open source, which means you can see it being built in the open, so you can go to GitHub and see the .NET projects and all the source code that's used to build it. It's cross-platform, so a few years ago it was ported to allow for development on Mac, Windows, Linux, and various IoT devices and smartwatches, things like that. It allows for building modern apps, and it integrates very well with Azure and other cloud services. So you can see that you can build with .NET for the web, for mobile and desktop, for cloud, and for AI and ML. It's fast, so you can see it's compared to other languages. It's a lot quicker, and it's only getting better with each version that comes out. You can use Copilot to interact with it, make your development environment even quicker, speeding up different aspects of your tooling and coding. So as you can see, there's various different things on the .NET website that you can get videos, you can read the docs, you can use LinkedIn for the learning, or of course you can watch the videos that I'm producing. It's got a large ecosystem, and there's various videos I'm going to produce on these different aspects, but NuGet is the library or package manager, so you can build your own libraries for use in your applications and then share them with the wider community. Visual Studio, the IDE that's used to build applications with the .NET framework. You don't have to use Visual Studio, there are other IDEs available, but it's a fantastic IDE, and advise trying it out. There's VS Code as well, which has some new extensions to allow for better integration with the .NET framework. It's lacking some still. I prefer using Visual Studio, but there is that option depending on what OS you're on. As you can see, there's different stats there about the community and all the different people that use .NET. So what are the other things you can do on this site? So there's the Y.NET. So it's free, open source, and it's supported by Microsoft, which is one of the key things. So you get different releases, you get different support models for how long that version is supported for, so you know it's tried and tested and trusted because it's being supported by a large company. C# is the preferred programming language to use in .NET, but it does allow other languages like F# and VB.NET. As you'll see, most of the videos I'm doing are in VB.NET, but if you're wanting other ones, give us a shout, and I'm happy to do them too. As I said, cross-platform, you can do Android, Apple, Linux, Windows. It's available for different Linux distributions. The libraries, it has a large set of libraries that come as standard, but as I said, NuGet has options for things that might not be available. Yeah, you can just see all the different things that you can do. Basically, if you want to build something, it's probably possible with .NET. So game development as well, Internet of Things. Active community. There's the .NET Foundation, so a load of different libraries are supported by the .NET Foundation and get help to produce them and maintain them. There's various tools. You might have seen the other videos that I've produced on the .NET CLI to allow for building, running, debugging from the command line. Yep, and then as you can see, there's a load of different tutorials that you can get into and learn about all the different aspects again. So yeah, if you've got any questions on .NET or you want anything ran through in more detail, do let us know. But hopefully the subsequent tech help videos will give you a understanding of what it is and how to use it. Thanks very much.